Hey everyone! Ever struggled with trimming those hard-to-reach branches? Well, I found the perfect solution. The electric pole saw made my weekend yard work a breeze. Its extendable pole and powerful motor made cutting effortless and super safe. No more wobbly ladders for me. If you're looking to simplify your gardening, check this tool out. Get yours today and make yard work a walk in the park. Market price is $128, but you can get it for just $98.99 on this website. Check the link in the comments for more details.